of a government nursing college in Kerala have sent shockwaves across the country. 5 third-year students have been arrested for committing this crime, the police have confirmed, but the details from the ongoing probe will surely send chills down your spine. The horror began last November when the victims were allegedly forced to stand naked with dumbbells hanging from their private parts, and it only got worse. Compasses and sharp objects were reportedly used to inflict injuries before seniors applied lotion to their wounds. Adding to the humiliation, juniors were allegedly forced to smear cream on their faces, heads, and even inside their mouths. Hands and legs of some of the students were even tied before they were stabbed as the seniors filmed their brutal actions on camera and threatened the younger students with dire consequences. The accused even extorted money from first years to buy alcohol and assaulted them every Sunday.
It is a very shocking and very disturbing incident that has come to light from Kottayam in Kerala. And remember, the ragging was happening since November 2024 when the freshers had joined the college. It has been happening since last 3 months. The seniors were ragging them, they were torturing them, physical and mental torture. They stripped them, they hung dumbbells on their private parts, they stabbed them, multiple severe things they did to juniors. And the complaint came forward when one of the juniors, one of the freshers, one of the victims finally spoke to his parents about the incidents that was happening in the college. He spoke about all the torture that he had to go through in the college. He spoke to his parents, and his parents asked him to complain to a police and register a case. That is when they registered a case with the police, and now 5 people have been arrested. The police is investigating that how many more students are involved in this incident. But this is very sad and very disturbing incident that has come from Kerala.
And now shifting focus, Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde has been conferred with the prestigious